Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Launchbox, Hyperspin and Batocera. And at first glance, they might seem like they do all the same thing, but in reality, these are very different tools. They're built for different types of users. So in this video, I'm going to break it down what each one actually is, their main features, the pricing and setup difficulty, the pros and cons, and finally which one is actually best for you. So let's get started. With Launchbox is essentially a game library manager and emulator front end for Windows, but calling it just a launcher is underselling it. Think of it like a Netflix style interface for your entire game collection, including retro console games, arcade titles, PC games like Steam, and emulated systems from multiple platforms. It started as a front end for DOS games, but over time it evolved into a full-scale gaming hub. Hyperspin is the flashy arcade experience. If Launchbox is modern and clean, then Hyperspin is the opposite. It's all about flash, style, and arcade authenticity. We're talking animated wheels for game selection, custom themes for every system, video previews, sound effects and transitions, and full arcade cabinet experience. It is designed for one thing, making your setup look like a real arcade machine. Next is Batocera. Batocera is completely different. It's not just a front end, it's a full operating system built specifically for retro gaming. You literally install it onto a USB or SSD, you boot into it, and your entire PC becomes a retro gaming console. Out of the box, it includes pre-configured emulators, controller support, built-in interface, game scraping tools, and Linux-based performance optimization. So unlike Launchbox and Hyperspin, you don't install it inside Windows. It replaces your system interface entirely when booted. So what are the main features of each of these platforms? We start with Launchbox. Launchbox has automatic game library scraping, has a huge emulator capability, a big box TV mode, advanced filtering and organization. It supports PC and retro games, and there are regular updates and active development. And the features of Hyperspin: ultra custom animated UI, arcade wheel navigation system, heavy theme support, strong community asset pack, and highly visual experience. How about Batocera? Full Linux based operating system, pre-installed emulators with plug and play ROM support. It also has controller first interface and built-in scraping with BIOS management. Having considered the features, now let us talk about the pricing. Launchbox has a free version. There's a regular version where you can buy for $30, you own it forever. A lifetime one that you can own forever as well, but you can update forever. That costs $75. And a bundle one at $35. Double the power, double the value. That's for Windows. There's a separate one for Android. With Hyperspin, it has a free core software. And with Batocera, it is also 100% free and open sourced. No paid tiers. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? With Launchbox, the pros: it has extremely polished interface, easy library management, huge emulator support, best balance of ease and power. And the pros of Hyperspin: best visual customization, true arcade feel, massive community themes, and is great for cabinets. Then the pros of Batocera: easiest to install and use, no Windows required, it is free and open sourced. Now, what about the cons? For Launchbox, Windows and Android only. The premium features can cost extra, and it can get heavy with massive libraries. The cons of Hyperspin: is very difficult to set up, and it has a time-consuming configuration. It's also not beginner-friendly. And the cons of Batocera: is less flexible, there's limited PC gaming features, and the hardware compatibility can vary. So which is best out of the three? Well, here's a honest breakdown. If you want the most powerful and balanced solution, Launchbox takes the crown. But if your goal is a pure arcade aesthetic experience, then Hyperspin still wins visually. Nothing else looks quite like it when fully customized. And then, if you want a simple plug and play retro console, Batocera is the easiest and fastest way to get gaming with zero Windows setup. There isn't one perfect winner. It depends entirely on how deep you want to go into retro gaming. And that's it on the comparison of Launchbox, Hyperspin, and Batocero. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore RetroBat, Emulation Station Desktop, and RetroArch. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.